Hi you guys, it's Wendy coming to you with the project share. This is a Halloween journal and I'm just going to get right into a flip through. I've altered the James Patterson book, Don't Blink. I've got a pretty simple tassel here. It's just a straightforward tassel I got at a thrift store. And if you can see, I have got a toy spider, a glittery toy spider that's in there. So I thought that was kind of cool and creepy. The cover is some altered corrugated cardboard. I've grunged up some cardstock, and then I have this ATC on the front. And let me do just a flip through. Lots of painty papers. I tried to make this just orange, black and white, or orange, cream and white. Pretty straightforward. I've got some black and white images. A lot of the faces and eyes and things in these black and white photos, they seem kind of haunted, I guess. I've got lots of places where there are tags. I've got this little spot that is, it's kind of stuck there. I've got a little tuck spot here. This little flip out that on one side has got the cat skeleton, and on the other, this black and white photo. An old haunted house or abandoned house. Dictionary definition for a bat. Here we've got another pocket that's got a bunch of doll heads framed in doll parts. This is from a children's book where it's a connect the dots, and I thought it was kind of cool that it said the end. This is from a book on how to draw, and again, I thought it was kind of creepy because it's just showing the no head on the individual and then some hands basically above that. This little creepy walkway. We have a clock, some dominoes, some vials with some mystery substances in them, an old primer book with a cat who has apparently tracked down a bat. Skull. This is some sort of headdress or ornamental wear from a National Geographic. Thought that was kind of cool. There's another haunted fellow. Floppy disk holder. Some scrapbook paper of a spider web. Got a little card you can flip out and write on. Random photo of some scissors. This ominous looking tiger creature, or lion creature rather. This is the front matter of a book that I've used for other projects, and the title is called Tell Me How This Ends Well. So I thought that was kind of ominous. Just lots of cool papers, lots of textures. This is from the back dust cover of a book called The Dictionary of Palmistry. We've got this little tag, a little jar. And this little area, which is has a cloche and some kind of weird little critters and things underneath it. Some bones. And this moody kind of, it looks like trees that they've sort of altered. Skeleton, rattlesnake. This one's kind of cool. It's got 3 different little tags that are shoved into this little organizer here. National Geographic, archaeological digs with skeletons and bones. We've got this, which is actually an album cover from somebody. Not sure where I picked that up. A little kind of spooky image. This is on a book for kids on practicing their handwriting. Magic tricks for kids, and the kids always look really ominous in these older books, so I included that. This book of these people that are in a train trestle going to the other side. Lots of ATCs. Here's a Mark Radden illustration. Turned it into a pocket. A moon. This circulatory system book from a medical page. Owls. This nude, which is kind of ominous and moody, and so I included that. Got a wood fireplace. This little guy that came to me in an ATC that goes from a vintage image to a monster. Pretty cool. Another ATC, and it's a cat. You can actually move his little parts, I guess if you wanted to. This is some information on why we celebrate holidays and Halloween in particular. Data on bats. Some sort of vintage image with all these folks kind of hanging out with their horses. And an art piece. This looks like New Orleans to me, to be honest. I'm not sure. I can't remember where I found it. Here we have another pocket and a tag. Lots of pockets and tags in this one. Lots of going back and forth between black and white and orange. Lots of vintage images. There's a yearbook page at the very back of the yearbook from 1940. The funeral home always puts in a best wishes and success to the January class. They leave a lot of space, I guess, so you can probably write on it, as we all did in our yearbooks. We have a postcard here with an alligator, some hands. I think this is a chimp, some sort of monkey. Little card area. This is some packaging, but it seemed kind of lunar to me, so I included it. I have some flocked paper. A napkin that I mounted onto a piece of book paper. Pockets. National Geographic archaeological digs and findings. A little tuck spot. More flocked paper. And a space to write. It flips out. This little envelope with an eye, I think, is pretty cool. An owl illustration. We have this flip out that you can write on, and then there's also a little tuck spot here. Another decoupage napkin. A vintage image. Another tag. This is from a book on knitting. I thought that was pretty cool. Another napkin. Front of a National Geographic about the million-year-old woman. There's another flip out with a hand image. And on the back, these sort of haunting folks that have been painted. And then a card, this kind of black flocked envelope. And then on the back, an advertisement, actually a paint chip card. And so I just used the front of the paint chip card for that. But yeah, got lots of cool things coming out the top with each of the tags having its own different black and white fabric that I've added to the tag. And so, yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys. And of course, as per usual, when I get the next thing done, I'll share that with you as well. But hopefully you're doing well, and I will talk to you soon. All right, bye.